Hey, tech lovers. Are you still holding on to that older iPhone? Well, you might want to think twice. Today, we're diving into the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max and exploring a burning question. Is Apple making older phones completely irrelevant? Here it is, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's crack this baby open and see what all the hype is about. Wow, look at this sleek design. But wait, it's not just about looks. This powerhouse comes with a jaw-dropping camera, lightning-fast performance, and features that older models simply can't compete with. But here's the kicker. While your trusty iPhone 12 or 13 might still work, they're starting to feel like dinosaurs in the tech world. With every new update, Apple seems to push the limits of what's possible. The iPhone 14 Pro Max leaves older models in the dust with its advanced AI capabilities, battery life, and don't get me started on that camera. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more juicy tech insights. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.